Ever wished you could navigate your iPad with just a one tap? Take screenshot or control volume without touching the physical buttons? Well, if I told you there is a way to have all these shortcuts right in your fingertips, it is called the virtual button, also known as assistive touch, and it can change how we interact with our iPad completely. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetam. You are watching iPad Essentials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable, disable and customize this powerful feature on your iPad. So without further ado, let's get started. So in order to enable or disable it, I'm going to share my iPad screen and there we go. Here we can see. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to settings. In setting, I'm going to go down here to accessibility. And here you see you have vision accessibility, then you have physical and motor. Let's click here on touch, and then here you will find this assistive touch setting. So all you need to do is tap on it, and now here you need to enable it. Here you will see the virtual button now appear. Now by default here we can see some of settings are there, for example Siri or device control center, notification center and so on. Not only that, here we also have got option to customize it. For that, let's again click here on this assistive touch bar, and now here we have got custom. So now we can actually click on plus, and then we can also able to create custom shortcut. Now in order to customize this virtual button option, so what we can do is we need to click here on customize top level menu, and then here you can add new icon, for example, and then here you can specify different setting on it. For example, I would like to add a camera here. So now if I go back and if I again touch on it, here you can see my camera is also there. Now let me go back. So in this way guys, we can customize our assistive touch. And here you can see you also have option to reset it down back to the way it was. And as I said that here, in case of advanced customization, we can also create a new gesture. Okay, so based on the way you want, you can save it and can name it. So I'm gonna save forward, and then let's click on save, and now I can actually see this custom gesture. Now here we can also adjust our assistive transparency. So based on your requirement, you can set the transparency level of it. Now let's talk about turning it off. Turning it off, I would say, is very easy. You simply need to tap again on this assistive touch radio button, and there you go. Now here you can see we have disabled this assistive touch button in our iPad. In the end, I would say this virtual button, or also known as assistive touch, is a versatile tool that can make your iPad experience more accessible and efficient. Whether you are looking it for easier way to navigate or want to customize your shortcut for faster access, the virtual button or assistive touch is a feature worth exploring. And as always, if you like this video helpful and informational, be sure to subscribe to iPad Essentials to follow more such tips and tricks. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.